Welcome friends, this short video is part of my 1 minute wisdom series where I share one simple, effective, tested and implementable tip every week. I am Sanjay Sarda, business management consultant, strategic advisor and certified corporate director. Today's tip is Plan B is recipe for failure. Only for life and death kind or extremely critical situations, one should have plan B. For everything else, there should be only plan A and no other backup plan whatsoever. It's a normal human tendency which directly or indirectly acts to dilute efforts and seriousness for plan A, since somewhere in the back of mind alternate plan is available in case of failure. I am sure you will agree that plan B is option of second choice and certainly may not deliver output comparable to plan A. So why not focus all energy and resources in making plan A successful instead of having alternate backup options? You may think that since there is no plan B, in case of plan A fails, you probably lose everything. However, since all your energy is concentrated on execution of only plan A, chances of success are significantly higher. Alternatively, even if your plan B succeeds, it will be giving you inferior results as compared to your best plan. On the other hand, over the period of time, the differential positive output from plan A as compared to plan B will even compensate for any incidences of failure. Friends, if you like more such videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and feel free to like and share this video. Thank you.